How to set up Unbelievable Boat on Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. UnbelievaBoat and then simply tap on invite to Discord. Now this will be invited to your Discord. Wait for the Discord to load in web. After that, enter your login credentials and login. Then it will verify you if you are a human, and after verification is completed, it will be added or to your Discord. And simply all you have to do is select a server and then select all the access that you want to give the Unbelievable Boat to your Discord account, and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next